Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, we are actually going to talk about something that is currently happening right now. What actually did Bitcoin actually dump and actually give you that information. Right now we are actually creating higher lows in the market, higher low in the market, right? So if you can actually check here, you can actually see that we are creating higher low in the market. This is 1 hour time frame, and you can see anytime we test this level, we actually bounce back. Now we're actually breaking out from this level. Are we actually going to actually pump from here? Not unlikely, right? So this is not what I'm actually here for. I'm not here to actually tell you because likely in the uh, 1 hour time frame, it is very likely that we are actually going to trend around this area. Likely we are actually going to trend around this area before actually seeing that massive pump. And I'm actually going to talk about the reason for this, right? First of all, we need to actually see a change of structure here. That means likely we need to actually break this high level here. And right now we're actually breaking it, but not yet above it. We need to actually break it. Then later we're actually going to go down more, trend later, then pump back to this level, breaking this structure, right? So we need to actually see change of structure in the 1 hour time frame. So likely guys, if you look at the RSI in the 1 hour time frame, you're actually going to notice that right now we are actually in a rising pattern, right? Where we are actually creating we are actually rejecting these zones, right? We are actually rejecting this zone. That means likely, since we are actually feel this top, right? Because you can actually see that we have recent highs here in the market, right? We have recent highs here in the market, right? In the RSI, this was a recent high you see over here, right? We have actually come to that level. Now what is very likely to be possible is that maybe likely we are actually going to retrace down later, right? I don't know, but this is what I'm seeing in the hourly time frame, right? Maybe you're actually going to, if we actually create that change of structure, we're actually going to come back, maybe come to this zone, then later break it here, right? Because first of all we need to see a change of structure, right? Now diving into the daily time frame, this is what you need to actually pay attention, guys. Now you're actually going to ask me, guys, why are you buying Bitcoin? Why are you buying Bitcoin? Why are you buying altcoins? Now I'm going to actually share the reason why I'm buying Bitcoin and why I also bought altcoins. Even when we are actually dumping, you can actually see it here. We actually dumped a day before yesterday, and this was a dump that actually took Bitcoin for the price of 43,000 plus down to 40,000 plus in the market. So I actually use those opportunities to actually buy more coin in the market. So guys, what are we currently seeing here right now in the market is that I'm going to talk about three things that you need to actually pay attention to. One is the volume of the market, two is the RSI, and last is the what you actually see in the chart, right? You can actually see here that in the we can actually see here that in the volume we have volume, right? So since we have actually created volume, it's likely we are actually going to trend more around this down before actually creating another volume here. You can actually see. So we need to actually pay attention to the volumes we are actually seeing in the market. So right now, guys, what is very possible? What is very possible in the RSI? In the RSI is what is making me even feel more bullish, guys. And this is what you need to know. So if you love what I'm doing, guys, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on Facebook. If you are on Facebook, you can follow me on Facebook, crypto blog. And also guys, follow my community, join my community on this app, and in the description below I'm going to leave the link there. So guys, what are we actually going to see here, guys, is because right now, guys, Bitcoin is actually dump, not actually showing more move here in the market. But how do we identify where Bitcoin is heading to? Now guys, you need to actually pay attention to the RSI. This is what you need to actually pay attention. This is not what most traders are actually doing, right? When Bitcoin was actually here, I actually showed you, I actually made a video about the RSI, right? Us breaking from this range, you can actually see we actually break out, right? Where we are having this falling range, right? We actually break out. I was telling you about this, right? It actually happened, guys. Now I'm going to actually give you another video about this, what you should actually pay attention to on what is happening to Bitcoin right now, guys. If in the it is very likely we are actually going to we have actually tested, it's actually oversold here. You can actually see it's currently down, right? It's currently down, right? Each time we actually come to this level, we come to this level, we come again, we are actually down. Maybe likely we are actually going to go down more, likely, guys. So we need to actually pay attention to what we are actually seeing, the RSI. But if you actually zoom here, you can see that we are actually down. So likely, guys, what I'm going to give you here is that likely we are actually going to consolidate around this area, then later have that massive pump to the upside, right? Because if you look, every time we maintain this high in the RSI, so this is what we need to actually pay attention. So what will be happening over here for Bitcoin? What will be happening over here for Bitcoin? So what we are actually going to see in Bitcoin is that, because this is the 1 day time frame, pay attention, guys. We are actually going to consolidate, create a stick here, actually consolidate in the next 1 week, in the next 7 days, and we are actually going to have a massive pump to the upside, right? And you can actually see this was a recent low. You can actually see it here, which is holding at $43,000, right? This is the 1 day time frame, right? We are actually going to break this structure, right? If we are actually going to maybe touch this place and bounce down, right, we are actually going to break that structure, taking this liquidity. There's a lot of liquidity in the market around this area. So guys, pay attention right now, guys. I'm going to see my video. I'm going to see in my next video. Please, guys, do well to actually subscribe and follow me on Facebook. Join my community on WhatsApp. So guys, I'm going to see you. If you are interested in registering on any exchanges, I'm recommending you to gate.io. Go in the description of this video, guys, and register on gate.io. And also, you can buy the Bitcoin token. It's another token that you can buy that is going to actually perform well during, that is actually using the arbitrage method in the crypto market to actually increase its price. So go buy the Bitcoin token. It's actually going to do it during Bitcoin fluctuation. And you can actually see, guys, the Bitcoin token is now currently selling at rate of $1, guys. Even when Bitcoin is down, right, you can actually see that the Bitcoin token add more price in the market, add more price. So guys, go get it. It's going to actually do it. So guys, because it's actually using arbitrage opportunity in the market. So guys, I'm going to see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and also follow me on Twitter. Goodbye.